Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some exciting news. I've been asked to be part of a creative team, which I love, and it's for digital art, which I also love. And the team is Kate Crafts Designs on Instagram, and she is also on YouTube, Kate Crafts, and she also has an Etsy shop which is called the Kate Crafts Store. I'll link everything down below. What I'm going to be doing today is I have printed off the Vintage Papers 2 set, which I will also link down below. Oh, and also go over to join her Facebook page as well, because there's loads of freebies on her Facebook page. So yeah, definitely pop over and have a look. And this, like I said, this is the Vintage Papers 2, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I've printed off some of them. I've printed off a couple of each, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So I have literally just printed them off in just normal printer paper, because I'm actually going to be sticking them onto my file folders. So here's the first one, and it is absolutely stunning. And oh, the butterflies and the music and the script, oh, it's just so pretty. And again, absolutely stunning. And for 50% off, wow, that one for some reason didn't print. I'll just put that to the side. But they are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. That one's got 2. I absolutely love them. And that, look at the graphic. Those flowers are just beautiful. So that's the Vintage Papers part 2. And what I want to do is, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, sorry, I'm Done Crafts Decor over on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below if you want to pop over and have a look. Well, I collect Ray Dunn as well as crafting. So, and I also collect mugs as well, but we won't go into that one. So when my art studio was finished being built, I went out and I hunted down so much Ray Dunn stationery and everything, because I wanted my craft room to be a lot Ray Dunn. So I found a couple of these. And I absolutely love it. Now, I thought this would be perfect to store my tags in. And I keep seeing everywhere all over YouTube, people have humongous amount of ready-made tags. And I'm very much a crafter that I craft as I go. So I need to prep. I want to prep. I do prep, but I prep things like my labels and my stickers and things. You know, I sit down for a day and I do some die cuts and some labels and stuff like that. So I do prep, but as far as tags, I don't prep my tags. I don't know why. So today it's just going to be a chilled, easy one. I am just going to make some tags and I'm just going to prep them. I'm going to put big ones at the back, small ones at the front, and this is where my tags are going to live. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put that aside, and I've shown you the papers, and these are the file folders. So this, I just love the colours. I just love the colours. These are my favourite ones. And then you think about it, that is such a huge piece of paper. So piece of card even. So these are what I'm going to use to make my tags. And then I'm going to cover them in the gorgeous Kate Crafts printables. And then, yeah, I'm going to start making a stock up of my tags. So I thought, well, why not turn the camera on and take you with me? I'm just going to play a bit of music. Like I said, it's just going to be an easy one. I'm just going to be cutting and gluing and stuff like that. But I will see you at the end of the video. So thanks, everybody. Right, so I have cut all my tags, and because the file folders were so big, I ended up with so many offcuts, literally loads and loads of offcuts, which will be perfect for just strengthening up your printables and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is, I think with these little ones, because they are so dinky, I think I'm going to get my punch that I used in my previous video, and I'm just gonna tag them all, I think. Right, so I have cornered the little ones because this punch is perfect for it. I think for the bigger ones, I'm going to use my corner chomper. So I have got a nice pile full of teeny little tags that I'm going to put in my box, and then these I'm going to use as backing. So let me put those away, because nothing is wasted. And then if I get my corner chomper, and then just gonna chomp all the corners. And then I will have tons and tons of tags ready to go. So I'm going to carry on chomping all the corners, and then I'm going to glue and stick. So I've cut and glued all the tags, and these are the smaller tags, and these papers are absolutely stunning. Oh. So now I have a lovely collection of vintage tags, which I absolutely love. And these are the larger ones. I mean, look at that. How gorgeous is that for a foundation for a tag? And they're those. So they're the tags. And then I also still have some more tags left over. So what I'm decided to do is put my tags with the pattern paper on this side and then my blanks on this side. So yeah, there's my little tag holder, and I have to say I love it. I really do love it. Just with a day of cutting and gluing, I now have a nice little start of a collection of tags to get me going. So thanks for watching, everybody. I know this was a quick one and everything, and you know, it's just, I just thought I'd turn the camera on and just say hi and do a little bit of crafting with you, a little bit of prep work. So thanks very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye. So just before I go, I just want to quickly show you a video I'm going to be working on this week with another one of Kate's Crafts digital kits, so printables. This one is called Gothic Mood, and it's perfect, absolutely perfect for Halloween. It's so grungy, and I just absolutely love it. So you get a sheet of tags, and then a sheet of ephemera or tickets and stuff, and then another sheet of ephemera, and again, absolutely stunning. I love it. And you got some text here, postcard, letter, some tabs, absolutely stunning. Some more ephemera, some old letters and stuff, and then here are the papers. How gorgeous are they? The grunge. Oh, I just absolutely love them. They're so stunning. And this one, the butterfly. Oh, I absolutely love them. And lastly, the skulls. So pretty. So that is the Gothic Mood kit, and oh, I can't wait. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but if you want to see what I make, then be sure to hit the bell so you're notified for whenever I upload a video, because my next video is going to be Gothic Mood. So thanks again for joining me, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.